Hi, and welcome to the website. If you're here because you're ready to start the mortgage process, just click on the big Apply Now button and it'll walk you through step by step to get you started. But if you're here to learn about mortgages, I'm excited you're here because I'm a mortgage nerd. I love talking about mortgages and I love teaching people about all aspects of financing your home, whether it be trying to figure out what's the best way to shop for your rate, or your first time home buyer looking for what different loan programs would be available to you, understanding credit and how we look at it in the mortgage industry. It's not the same as it is in buying a car or credit cards or things like that. Reverse mortgages, whatever you're into, I probably got a video on it somewhere around on this site. So have fun, explore, and if you have any questions, you can hit the schedule a call button, and I'd actually be happy to just jump on a call with you and answer your questions and talk to you, nerd out on mortgages. So